2009 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Still got the factory converters there and there. And this one comes with the third converter right there. Then a flex pipe. Then we did Y pipes, straight pipes, 2 1/4 all the way back into 4-inch angle cut tips by 18. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 V8, 5.3 liter. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then a third converter there that everybody hates. Then we did a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK. And you can see the link in the description if you want to get one. Then it's wired out into duals with mandrel pen pipes right there, right there, right there, into 4-inch tips out the back. Black roll tips right there and right there. If you guys want the tips, you can see the link in the description also for the muffler or the tips. That's what it looks like. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah. Perfect. Again. So that again. So the sound decibels about 102, 103. And it idles about 75. Not too bad. That looks good with that. The color of the truck, those black tips look really good.
Yeah, I was telling them I just got one more part on the mustache to de-chrome.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna work on that too when I get done.
Welcome to Tennessee, the rain. Let you guys hear on the inside. I want to say thank you to them. They drove an hour and a half to get here. They saw us off our YouTube channel.
My heart rages around like an ocean